possible nowadays.
Hagajingalang bat kilat patai kubor kabala long hakasi nengkong uba sadon bala ubadai Ksiang Jong ke Kynhun Kieng Atiar ka Hynniewtrep National Liberation Council lani HNLC ula Pynbna ya ke Kyrwoh balapha da kani ke Kynhun bakala wengno yaladi na kamiet yakren yasuk kabalai liang kabadai bat ka sarkar preng bat komjuru bat ka sarkar jala uba abla ula bancur halor ke jingbom la jong ka sarkar ban sngo thu shai bat ban penbiang ya ki jingdawa jong ka seng HNLC ha kini ki arsnem baladem kum ka dawa ha ka bayadei bat ke jingkut no jong ka jing kren yasung ula bancur ru ba lada ka sarkar kam perkhat biang sasisian halor kini ki mat ki bakongsan ka jing kren yasuk kan sa shusakut no haju uba bla ula ai jingmut ba gajing kloy jong ka sarkar ban wengno ya ki mukot duma bat ban penlong ya ki miet ya kren ha gajaka ban chu shania tang ha ki kendon an kala ban pli ya ki jingkhang ban dang beteng biang ya ka jing ya kren yasung
We strongly condemn the MDA government which have failed to bring this peace process to its logical conclusion. And from the HNF, we also feel that the government have everything in its hand to withdraw the cases, to grant amnesty to all the cadres of the HLC, including those who are in jails now, because if peace process is to happen, if peace is to happen, government must apply a political solution, not a legal solution to this issue.